I'm going to say a sentence and I want you to fill in the blank with the correct preposition, either in, on, at, under, or between. I'll give you a moment to think, and then I'll give you the answers. Number one, I was born January. The keys are the table. We'll meet the bus stop. She's sitting the park bench. The cat is hiding the chair. Okay, here are the answers. I was born in January. The keys are on the table. This could also be the keys are under the table. They're both grammatically correct. We'll meet at the bus stop. She's sitting between the park bench and the tree. The cat is hiding under the chair.